talk no more.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Nevaeh here. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm over here on my vlog camera because this is more like a chilled laid back video. I'm going to be packing for my New York City trip. I'm going to New York for some really exciting things, and I'm going to be vlogging, but I'm going to be there for like a week, so I need to pack, and I wanted to do a video showing you guys basically me packing and give you guys tips and also just bring you guys along with me packing. So I hope that you guys like this video. If so, you know what to do. Give it a great big thumbs up, subscribe, follow my social medias, you know the drill, and let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. Go to Target. Oh yeah, I was taking a nap. Alright, so of course, first I actually took a Target trip. I vlogged this. It's over on my vlog channel, I think. I don't know if it's uploaded by now. But I went to Target and got a few things that I needed for this trip. Once I got home, I sat down, got my computer out, and made a packing list. It's essential to make a packing list, especially when going on a longer trip, because you really don't want to forget anything. Now it was time to pick out my outfits. I was going on this trip and I was going to be having to wear 2 to 3 outfits every single day. I know that sounds so crazy. So I packed like a total of 15 outfits for this trip. So just sit down, make a outfits list, go try stuff on, roll your clothes up, fold them, just pick out all your outfits. You gotta look cute, girl. Now you can finally start packing. So I got my luggage, brought it into my room, and I started rolling my clothes up and putting them into my suitcase. Hey guys, so if you hear that in the background, it's because I'm on FaceTime with Drayden right now. I don't want him to mute himself, so I'm just gonna turn him down a little bit. But anyway, I am about to start packing, so I have my suitcase out, all of my clothes. Literally, I'm packing like 15 outfits.
Yeah.
Hello guys, so I'm officially done packing all my clothes. I just have toiletries and shoes to go, but I'm gonna have to do that in a few days. So this video is like a few day type of packing thingy. So yeah, but I'm about to go and edit this part, and I will see you guys when I pack all my other stuff. Now it was time to pack my shoes and my toiletries and my accessories, all the type of stuff. Hi guys, it's the next day now, and I finally packed my toiletries. I have my makeup all in this bag, and this bag I got all my lotion and all that type of stuff. My makeup's in this bag just because I'm leaving to go on another trip for literally like 24 hours, but I'm going to keep this for New York, so I'm leaving for New York like right after I get back from this little one-day trip. So got this stuff, now I gotta put it in the suitcase. And we are complete, sisters. I know I look really bad right now, but I'm literally so hot. Oh my god. But I am finally done packing for New York. I'm also done packing for my little one-day trip that I have over here. So many freaking suitcases in my room, but I am excited. I'm gonna be vlogging and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did to pack for my New York City trip. I'm super excited to go. I'm gonna be vlogging, so stay tuned for those videos. But yeah, that's basically my pack with me. I hope that you guys liked it, like I brought you guys along with me and kind of give you guys tips on what you guys should do. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video in a couple of days. Bye guys.